Do you suffer with acid reflux really badly? Do you have a lot of throat clearing? That can be what we call silent acid reflux. For me, there are 3 top causes. The first is having an H. pylori bacterial infection, but not just inside the stomach. It can be hiding in the mouth, on the tongue, on the tonsils, inside your esophagus, interfering with your sphincter. The second thing is an overgrowth of yeast in exactly the same places. Third is not having a gallbladder, where you end up with bile inside your stomach and that interferes with the sphincter. If you don't know which one of those is likely causing your issue, excuse me, head to myacidrefluxquiz.com, fill out that short quiz, it'll tell you what's most likely causing your issues.